replacing your batteries. Now, every smoke alarm has a battery backup in it, even if it's a sealed unit or not. This one has a 9-volt battery. This one is actually a 9-volt that needs to be replaced every 6 months to a year. So all you need to do is take it out, make sure you drain the smoke detector, and the best way to actually drain it is by holding down the test button, and you'll hear it drain for about 30 seconds. And then getting a brand new battery out of packaging and putting a new one back in and closing it. Once you install it back up in the ceiling, you're going to want to test it. And then you are good to go for another 6 months to a year. And if you don't feel comfortable changing your smoke detector batteries, please give us a call. We are more than willing to come out and give you a quote. Thank you.